Okay, so on this spreadsheet, you're going to learn how to budget, and it'll be about creating a shopping list for any occasion. Okay, and we'll have some nice links in here for us to see what we're getting. I'll just zoom in a bit. We'll also have our prices here, and our budget is important, and our leftover here, which is very important. Okay, so all of these cells here, actually I'll format them first. So this cell here, it's very important. Keep an eye on that one. Our budget, yeah, that's important too, although it's not going to change. But our leftover here is very important. Okay, and yeah, so this cell here is the total. It's equal to the sum written up here, equal to the sum between C4 and C13. Okay, and our budget is just 150, and our leftover is equal to F6, which is this cell here, minus C14, this cell here, and that'll be our leftover. Okay, so yeah, so let's go on now and do some more formatting. So these cells here, any numbers in this part of my spreadsheet here are going to be a currency. So I'm going to format them. Go format number, and you can look for currency, that's dollars. So we're going to look see if euros is here. Maybe if you don't have euros, you might have to look for it. Go more currencies, and you'll find it here. You can scroll through all the currencies in the world here. You can type euro, or you might find it here and apply it like that. Okay. So any number I type now will be in euros with the euro sign. Now, okay, so I have a baseball hat for Jimmy, socks for Tommy, and a basketball for Mary. Okay. Now I got them through this website here. All right, so let's click on it. Shoplocal.ie. You can go to whatever you're looking for. So we'll go sport again. I'm going to say any town, any country, because we'll buy online. And we'll go in here and visit the website. Yeah, sorry, this part here, these are all the different shops. Okay, different websites. As you can see, whatever you want. All right, so yeah, I clicked on this one here. It opened up this website here. Okay, and let's just say we are looking for something quick and handy. Another hat, I suppose. Okay. So there we go, a hat, yeah, and it's cheap enough. Ultimate Performance Reflective Hat. Now, I don't want to copy in this link here, okay? I'm going to click on the actual item, which will bring me to this page here where I just click buy it, okay? And that'll take me to my checkout, all right? So I'm going to copy this URL here, okay? And I want to remember the price, $21.44. $21.44. Hit enter. See, it's changed the currency. Euros. Our total has gone up. Our budget's the same, but our leftover has changed. We now have €94 and 1 cent left. Okay. Now in this cell here, I want to put the link. All right, to what it was. So I've already copied the URL. So I go to insert link in this cell. All right. Paste. Control and V. Paste. And in here is important here now, okay? Because we want to keep it tidy. The text to display for the link. Now, what was it? It was the reflective hat. Okay, yeah, and that was for Bob. Okay. And then just click out, and there we go. So when you hover over it, I can see my link, and that there link brings me straight to the page where I want to buy something. Okay. Yeah, so that can be done for any occasion. Keep on going until your total is very close to your budget. You don't want to go over budget, and you want to keep an eye on your leftover like this, okay?